Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale.
Here's a video of the GT40. We're going to crank it up. Go, crank it up.
Okay, let's get things rolling with this 1966 Ford GT40, listed for $145,000 US in Tallahassee, Florida. It's been driven 648 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description. Race prepped but street legal GT40 replica, manufactured by Autosport GP Engineering of Scotland, 650 horsepower Coyote V8, 6-speed Audi 01E manual transaxle, fully adjustable brake pedals, seat, instruments, and controls, vintage auto air, Willwood brakes. Next up, we have this 2019 Polaris Slingshot GT with a 4-wheel kit, listed for $30,000 US in Byron, Illinois. From the seller's description, 2019 Slingshot GT, 22,000 miles, 5-speed manual, full air ride, 4-wheel kit, stage 1 turbo kit, firm at $30,000. Alright, here we have a 1932 Ford Roadster, listed for $33,500 US in Hampstead, North Carolina. It's been driven 800 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 50 style 1932 Ford Roadster, fiberglass body, functional steel cowl vent, 2x3 tubing frame from firewall back, original 40 Ford brakes, Edelbrock 1804 carbs, 2-inch block hugger headers with 2.5-inch SS tubing and 18-inch cherry bomb mufflers, rebuilt Chevy TH400, being sold in as-is and where-is condition with no warranties expressed or implied. Alright, here we have a Blakeley Bantam, listed for $5,000 US in Nacetta, Wisconsin. I'm not sure which way that's pronounced. Condition is listed as used fair new. And from the seller's description, Blakely's were kit cars built in Illinois and later Princeton, Wisconsin. They used Ford mechanical components. This one has a 4-cylinder 2000cc engine and auto transmission, Mustang 2 Pinto suspension. The brakes need to be finished. I have all new parts except the rear brake shoes, which are readily available. Rear lights need to be rewired. Bonded title in my name. Offers will only be considered in person. Possible trades considered.
Racing gauges, racing steering wheel,
Okay, here we have a 1970 Porsche 917 listed for $43,000 US in Las Vegas, Nevada. It is a manual transmission, a clean title, and from the seller's description. Laser 917 Porsche Replica, 1970 Porsche 2.2 911 motor and trans, built by Gotham Garage, runs and drives good, $43,000 or possible trade. And here we have the first of two Mantas today, a 2000 Manta Montage, listed for $35,000 US in Lake Isabella, California. It's been driven 30,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 2000 Manta Montage, non-op estate sale, clear title, runs. Alright, here we have a 1969 Dune Buggy, listed for $6,500 US in Billings, Montana. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1969 Dune Buggy freshly reconditioned, 1776 engine, front disc brakes, very good condition, some room for negotiation, 100% complete turnkey, ready to go, comes with clear Montana title. And up next is the other Manta, a 1970 Manta Mirage, listed for $39,500 Canadian in Val des Sources, Quebec. It's been driven 12,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and now the seller's description, translated from French. Unfortunately, the translation didn't work very well, but here's what I got. Manta Mirage, LS suspension Corvette, can be exchanged with cash. Alright, here's a home-built Model T Replica, listed for $3,000 US in Elmer, New Jersey. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. Model T Replica pickup, home-built, can't be titled, great parade ride or running around your yard. It has a 4-cylinder Farmall Cub engine, 3-speed manual transmission, hand crank it to start or use the electric starter. And bringing up the rear, I haven't posted a lot of these lately because it seemed to be quite a few of them in videos for a while there. We have a Bradley GT, listed for $10,800 US in Providence, Rhode Island. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, VW powered, standard transmission, immaculate condition. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you will not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.